Alright, y'all, we heading to the park. We're going to Broccoli City.
Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to create an animated YouTube subscribe button to show on your YouTube videos. So first you want to navigate to Canva.com. So they do have a free version and a paid version. So the difference between the two is just matters what graphics and templates are available. So what you want to do is once you get to Canva.com, you want to do create a design. I do a Instagram post. You can use any size that you would like. The size doesn't matter per se. You can always change this later when you get ready to apply your button. So what you're going to do next is just click the square and you want to change the square to a green. Once the square has changed, you want to go to elements. You want to do the rounded square. So I'll use this one a lot, so it's already here. I'm going to make sure you get the one with the rounded corners. I'm going to change the color to white. I am going to resize this and take it all the way, and then I'm going to make it smaller. So I want to look at it. It's appealing to my eye, like the size. I'm just going to leave it here, drag it all the way here to the bottom actually. Alright, so I am going to zoom in because I like to look at the closeness to make sure that all the elements, placements is pleasing to me. So next I'm going to do the circle frame, just already here. Alright, so this is the one that you are going to choose without the border. You're just going to resize it. So just resize, and I'm going to resize it a little bit more because it's a little bit too big. And just bring it over to the edge, just a little too big. I'm going to click out of it, just make sure I like the placement. So next I'm going to do text. So you just want to add a text. I am going to list my channel name. And I'm going to change the font. So I am doing open size. I'm going to hit the drop down and I am going to do black. I am going to change the size to about 24. Then I'm just going to bring it here. I am going to change the alignment to left alignment. So next I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to change the size down to like 16. I am going to put it here. This is where you put your channel description in. Sadu Lifestyle Vlogs. You don't have to put this in here. You can just leave it at your channel name. It's up to you. Next, well, I'm actually going to go ahead and group these so that way I can, if I need to change the placement, I can. So we're going to go back to elements and we're going to start off with the like button. So we're going to type in like button and see all for the graphics, and this is the like button that I chose. So you're going to make it small and put it here. Okay. And then next we're going to do the subscribe button. And just wait for it to load. We're going to scroll all the way down. And this is the button that I like. But notice here that it is a pro button. So there are some other free ones. Those are animated. I really like the animated ones. I mean, you probably can do this one. This one's not that bad to do for the free version. But if you do have the pro, and you can kind of just scroll down to see if there's any other buttons too of the free version that you would like, but I use the pro version. So this is the one, the button that I have. So I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to size it down. And then I'm going to bring it here. Okay, so then next I'm going to do the like button. And, oh no, not the like button, y'all. the bell button. And this is a free one here that you can do, but I selected a pro version, which is this one right here. It's the same as the free except for the bell part is shaded in, and I just like that a little bit more. So we're gonna size this down, put it here, and then just go down. Alright, so I am going to group these elements and just group them, and then I'm going to just slide them over a little bit, and then I'm going to do the white corner, and I'm just going to bring it in. And there, let's see. Yep, and then I think I like this. I think I don't want to change it. I think it looks good. And then what you could do is you could just zoom out and you could just make sure that it looks good for you. So I'm going to group all of the elements together. So group, and then I'm just going to make sure that it's in the center. You don't have to do this. I just do this. So I'm going to zoom back in. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to add our picture. So if you have a picture in here, you just select one of the pictures that you have. If you don't have any pictures in Canva, you can go and just drag and drop it into Canva, and it'll automatically upload, and then you just hover it over the circle. So next I want to highlight my face. So I want my face to be really shown in here because it's a profile picture. So I just kind of make the picture like big, big, big. And then they have these grids on here that helps you with the placement of your picture to get it centered. So I just hit done, and there we go. So then what I'm going to do next is change all the colors to the buttons. So I am doing the color pink. So you want to pick a color. You're going to do a light version of the color, and then you're going to have a dark version of the color. So my light version of color is this. So this light pink I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and change these colors. So now they are all pink. So next what I'm going to do is I am going to zoom out a little bit. I'm going to duplicate this page. I am going to select the light button, and I'm going to change it to my darker pink. So this is the dark pink I changed. You're going to duplicate the page. You're going to hit subscribe. You want to change it to your darker color. You're going to duplicate the page again. You're going to hit the bell, and then you're going to change it to your darker color. So there, it's already changed. So now you want to go back up. You want to go to page 1. You want to click on that. You want to add the animation. So you want to animate. You're going to scroll down to rise. You're going to do it on enter. You're going to slow it down a little bit so that way we can really see. Now you want to scroll and you want to hit just the like button. Don't do the page for the second one. You want to do it on enter, and then you want to slow it down just a little bit so it'll give it a pop. Continue the process. Hit the subscribe button, do the pop, do it on enter, slow down, scroll down, hit the bell to pop. On enter is already there now because it figures that's what we want, and it's going to slow it down. So we have that. So then next what we want to do is we want to change the overall timing. As you can see, like right here, it says 5 seconds. So each slide is going to play for 5 seconds, which makes it 20 seconds. But you don't want that. Because let me show you what it looks like. It takes so long to navigate. And it's supposed to be boom, boom, boom. So you see how long it's like taking. It's taking 5 seconds per page. So what you want to do is you want to change the timing. I am going to change mine to 0.7. I am going to apply it to all the pages and click out of it. So now it's a total of 2.8. You can play it and you can see how streamless it is. Okay. So this is pretty much how you create the button in Canva. After you go ahead and hit this button, share, and then you want to download it, and then you want to make sure that it's in MP4 video format, and then you're just going to hit the download, and it will actually select the destination, and you want to save it. I already have one on my computer, so I don't need to save this one. Have our YouTube button already configured. We have it saved. So now I'm going to show you how to use it and how to apply it. So I'm going to use my button that I already made. It does have the sound. I can show you guys a tutorial a little bit later or in another video on how to add the sound if you guys like. But just having the video without the sound is fine as well. So I already have my video preloaded in here. So next what I'm going to do is this is my video that I've already made for my subscribe button. So you see here is behind the green screen just like we created in Canva. So how do you remove this and have it just simply fly up? Okay guys, so once you've added your button, you want to make sure that you go to the video part. You want to go to cutout. So next what you're going to do is you're going to click the chroma key and then you're going to hit the color picker. So you're going to get this circle. You want to click right here in the green and then you want to do the strength up to about 5. Sorry guys, if you hear some noises in the background, that is my dog. He decided that he wants to make noises while I'm trying to make this video for you. So remember when I told you it doesn't matter the placement of this square because you can move it anywhere. So you can, so you just move it because it's already selected and I like to put mine here right in the corner. And then you just click out of it. So now you want to like go ahead and we're going to play the video a little bit so you can see how it works. So just hit play. So you guys see how that worked. So in that way, when you're making your YouTube videos, this is how you would insert your animated YouTube subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If there's something that you don't understand or something that you want me to show you, just drop it in the comment box and just let me know.